Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker unboxing and a review of the New Balance Sneakers and Stuff 920. Let's get into it. Before we get into the review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Drop some comments. We want to engage with you guys. We try our best to reply to every single comment, and show us some thumbs up, hit that like button. We want to see the love as well. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at the New Balance Made in England Sneakers and Stuff collaboration. And this is the recent collaboration that Sneakers and Stuff have done with New Balance. They have done collaborations in the past before, but this is the latest one that came out in 2021, January to be more specific. And what makes this great, what makes it more exclusive, is that it's part of the Made in England range. And that is all the New Balances that are made in the factory in Cumbria, Flimby, and it just has all that craftsmanship, all that goodness that you can expect on a premium sneaker. So we have this in a UK size 8, it's a European 42, and it's a US 8.5. And this is the M920 SNS, so it's the 920 silhouette. Boxing. And wow, I mean, look at that. I'm now it's converted. It is a convert. I've been newly converted to the New Balance family, I guess. I'm not sponsored by New Balance. We aren't here at New Balance. Oneupreviewz, we aren't sponsored, but you know, if we are to get sponsored by anyone, like, it should be you guys if you're watching New Balance. But let us start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You've got the New Balance logo that's at the heel, and you can see the little endurance right at the very top at the heel over there. And there's the little carbon shank in the middle going along onto the midsole. So you've got the series 900s, you find it in the 990s, the 920, 991. They've all got the end cap midsole, so that is great for cushioning, for the support. These are preliminary as running sneakers, and as an avid wearer of the 990, I love them and they're so comfy, and I'm pretty sure that's got to do with the end cap. Moving along onto the upper, and that's where we got that vibrant colors. We got that mesh underlays. We've got the premium pig suede that you can only find at New Balance and Made in England, and well, made in the USA also. And you've got it in this bright orange colorway, and it's got accents of green to give that retro vibe. These 920s also came out with an apparel line that Sneakers and Stuff did, so it all matches. So if you were able to get the apparel, like, that's sick, and you were able to get the sneakers, that cohort fit, that's what I like to see. Anyway, moving on. So we've got, as I mentioned, the mesh underlays that you can see at the toe area. The mudguard is the nice premium pig suede. It's all around the sneaker, at the middle of the sneaker. You've got it in the lateral and the medial side here, and at the heel. So you've got these nice leather panels with the New Balance stitched on. New Balance logo that's there as well. A nice suede, you can't go mad at that suede, it's very nice. As I mentioned before, it's premium. Moving along to the laces, so you've got a normal lacing system. These did come unlaced, so I kind of did cheat a bit and lace them up myself, and they come with a pair of off-white laces as well, right here. The tongue is nicely padded, and you've got that Made in England stitched on with the New Balance logo. And if you go into the inner, you have the Sneakers and Stuff logo in the insole, and it's a green to go with the sneaker. And if you didn't know it was a Sneakers and Stuff collab, you can see it here at the bottom of the laces. Now, I can't wait to try these on. These are such a fire color, literally is orange. So I can't wait to try these, and yeah, just to be part of that Made in England sneaker line just to be able to have a pair is really dope. Obviously these sold out, so I'm grateful to get a pair. Unfortunately not on my size, but I'll get into the sizing once I do the on-feet review, which we'll show you right now. Roll that footage. One thing I forgot to mention, guys, I can see it with the bright lights that we have here in the studio, is that there's strips of 3M that you can see on the toe box and on the lateral side there near my toes. When it comes to the fit, I do suggest you get your true to size New Balance fit. This is half size up to my usual fit. This is a UK size 8. Again, I can feel that there's some space for my toes. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.